Okay, year 13. In this video I am going to recap what we done in class about generating random numbers. Okay, and it's very simple process. Okay, there is already a random class set up. A class is just basically a wee blueprint for solving a problem. So there's already a class set up for you to generate random numbers. Okay, and you simply type in random. Okay, so random, as you can see, turns blue. It's a class, turns blue. We need to make a copy of this, or what they call is make an instance of the class. And when you make an instance of the class, you have to mix an object. Okay, so in this random class, it has several methods that will generate various different types of random numbers. But in order for you to make the methods accessible, you need to make the instance, okay, or make an object. We'll cover more than that in due time. Okay, so that is how you set up. That's how you create a new random object called rand. We can call this one in here anything we want, but I normally just call it rand. Okay, don't worry about anything I put in green there. It's just for you just to refer back to. Okay, so now what we're going to use this object here to make or to generate a random number. So I'm just going to go r num1 equals, we'll go rand dot, and when we hit the dot we get access to all the methods, and the one that you're interested in this case is the one that says next. Okay, and we do that, and you've just put in you open up the bracket. I'll just zoom in here a little bit so you can see it. What happens here is you have a choice of 3. Okay, so if you don't put anything inside the brackets, what you will get is returns a non-negative random integer. Okay, so we'll do that. We'll go int r num2, and we'll go rand dot next, and we'll look at the next option. Okay, so it says returns a non-negative random integer that is less than the specified maximum. Okay, so it will always generate one less than the number you put in there. Okay, and it starts at 0. Then what we'll do is we'll do the third one, see what happens. Okay, and it says we'll pick the third one, and it says it returns a random integer that is within the specified range. Okay, then this is inclusive of the lower bounds, okay, but not the upper bounds. So if you want between 1 and 100, you need to do that. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to output these. Okay, rnum1, and just for quickness, so you don't sit and see me typing, I'm just going to copy and paste. Okay, so then we're going to output, so we generate a non-negative random number, we generated a non-negative maximum of 100, and we generated a non-negative between 1 and 100. Let's run it and see. Okay, so as you can see there, the first one is whatever that number is there. You can try and count it there, and then 14 and 42. Okay, that's grand. So in there you can have whatever range. You could go 5 if you wanted to, that'd be okay. And in here you could actually go 1,000 to 10,000. Okay, if you wanted to. Again, depends what you want to do. And there we are. So we have a super large number there. We have number 3, and we have 1,918 for that one. Okay, so that was just a quick recap of the random number generator. Okay, so you must call the random class, make an instance of the class by making an object, and that's simply done just by doing that line of code. Then we generated 3 different random numbers, non-negative, maximum of 5, and a range then between 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, so hopefully that covers and recaps that nicely for you.